Today I'm going to walk you through the process of repairing a beautiful opal ring that came into the shop with a pretty serious problem. Part of the shank was completely broken off. The customer thought it might be beyond saving, but as you'll see, with a little time, skill, and the right tools, this opal ring is about to look brand new again. Make sure to watch it until the end to see the finished product. When the ring first came in, the break was right near the bottom of the shank and near the top, which is a common spot for rings to crack or snap, especially thinner ones or rings that have been worn for many years. Opals are also delicate stones, so I have to be extra careful with heat and pressure during the repair process to make sure the stone stays safe and undamaged. The first thing I did was inspect the ring and file down the edges to make the edges clean, which allow for a much smoother and stronger weld. In this case, a small section of the shank was completely gone, so I had to line back up the two breaks and laser weld them back into the correct position. After welding the two breaks, I check to make sure the seam is fully bonded and smooth. Then I move on to filing and reshaping the broken section so that it blends seamlessly with the rest of the shank. It's really satisfying to see the repairs start to disappear as the metal smooths out and the ring regains its original shape. This repair is a great example of how even rings that look badly damaged can often be restored with the right techniques. Every piece of jewelry tells a story, and it's always rewarding to help bring those stories back to life. If you enjoy seeing real jewelry repairs like this one, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future transformations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.